Good morning, student. In previous video we have learned Indian place value chart, how to read a number according to Indian place value system. But in this video we learn how to read and write a number according to international place value system. In international place value system, children, there are 4 periods: ones, thousand, millions and billions. In previous chart there are only 9 places there, but in this chart there are 12 places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and after in Indian place value chart, here after 10,000 there are lakhs place, but in international place value system there after 10,000 there are 100,000. So repeat again: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and then 100,000. Million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. And the same rule we have to follow here. When the number is in tens place, we read these two numbers together, and this when the number is in hundred place, we read this number separately. So let's start how to read a number. This 9 is in which place? 100 place. So 900 million. 900, repeat again, 940 millions. 940 millions, 373,924. Once again, 940 millions, 940 millions, 373,924. Next example, this one is in which place? Tens million place. Which place? Tens millions place. So we read these two numbers together. So 19 millions, 19 millions, 200, 19 millions, 200, 6,000. 19 millions, 200, 6,024. Here is 0, so we skip this. So this, the 5 is in which place? 5 is in 100 place. So 546 million, 546 million, 896,000, 896,415. Understand, children? Now take another example. And after each period we have to put the comma. After each period we have to put the comma. Eight, 5, 8, 3, 4, 9, 0, 5. Again read this together, and this read together, and this also read together. 85 millions, 834,905. So understand, children? So next example, write the numbers name according to international value system and put commas. 7 0 8 4 2 0 6. So you have seen the number. So children, first you put the places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and after 10,000, 100,000, 100,000 and million. So how we read? This together, this separate, and this together, and this together. This separate. 7,084,000, 7,084,206. At the same way, we put the comma. We put the comma after every 3 digit and start from the one side. After every 3 digit, we have to put the comma. So understand, children? An Indian place value system, we have to put the comma after once period, we have to put the comma every 2 digit. So take write in words: 700, 8,000, 84,000, 700, 84,000, 200, and 6. Understand? Take another example. First we put the comma. After every 3 digit we have to put the comma, and then put the places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. So how we read? This together, this together, this, and this is this one separately. So 900 millions, this is in which period? Millions period. So 900 millions, 467,999. So write these words in spelling. So numbers name: 900, 900 million, 467,000, 67,999. Understand, children? Now second point, we take round of the numbers. Rounding of the numbers means, student, rounding of the numbers means not exact number, nearest number, approximate numbers. Estimate, not exact. Rounding off. For example, nearest 10, rounding off tens place, rounding off nearest 10. So we take this number 10 and 20. So let's take one example here, 12. 12 is nearest to 10 or 20? So 12 is nearest to 10. So 12 is nearest to 10. And take here example 17. So 17 is nearest to 20. So children, we have to follow the rules. Two rules we have to follow. We just see the nearest number. Nearest 10. So which number we have to follow? We see the just nearest number, this. We have to find out the nearest tens. So 1 is in tens place. So we see the nearest number, not this, here nearest number. And this number, if this number is less than 5, it means 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 0 also will take here. So when the nearest number is in this group 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to put here 0. And remain this number is same. So understand? Now nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. So we see from number line 1000, 2000. So take example here 1200 and 1800. So 1800 is nearest to 2000 and 1200 is nearest to 1000. So first we read this, count this number ones, tens, 100, 1000. So a rounding of the nearest 1000. So which number we have to see? This number, nearest number. Start from one side, not from this side. So nearest, this one is less than 5. This comes into the group of, we see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 remains same. And this one is add 1. Understand, children? So 1200 is nearest to 1000. This number is same, and from this number we put the 0. 0, 0 and 0. And here also the 8. We have to see the number 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we come in this group. So add 1. यहाँ पर हमको एक 1 प्लस करना है. So we have to plus 1 to this number. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2. And except how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3 and 3, 0 we put here. All the except the number which you have to round off the number, we have to round off the number is same and the except number is 0. Rounding of nearest lake. ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. So which number we have to see? These three. This one is less than 5 or greater than 5. This is less than 5. So this number is same and we put all the digits 0. So 8 is same and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 8,35,415 is nearest to 8 lakh. This one is nearest to 8 lakh. Take another example. 5, 5, 2, 0, 8 and 9. See this number. So this is greater than 5. This is greater than 5. So this 5 is come in this group. So we add here 6. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 and exact put 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Understand? Then rounding of nearest 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So we see this number. So this is less than 5. This comes in this group. So this number is same and I put all these number 0, 7. And this number is nearest to 70,000. Nearest crore place. 4, 7, 2, 1, 4, 5, 0. So this one we see this nearest number. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So this is greater than 5. So we add here. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So 47 crore 21 lakh 450 is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and crore. Sorry. $50 crore. So 47 is crore is nearest to 50 crore. And the same rule we have to follow here. So rounding of the number which is underline number. So 4, 5, 3, 6, 7, 0, 8. Underline digit. Rounding of the underline digits. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So we have to find rounding of the lakh place. So we see this number, not see this number. So this one is near less than 5. So 45, we write these two numbers same and they are 0. Same. 7, 0, 8, 1, 1, 4. We have to find out the ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 place. Rounding of the 10,000 place. So here is 8. So 8 is greater than 5. So we add 1 here. So 71,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 7 lakh. Understand? Take another example. 5, 4 3 0 3 6 7 0 8. Here. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So we have to rounding of the 10 lakh places. So near the 3, here is what is here? 0. So this one also come in this group. So remain same. 5, 4, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. I hope you understand, children. Now next, exercise Roman numbers. So what is Roman number? All these are 7 basic symbols in Roman number. So these 7 are the basic symbols of Roman number. This number you have seen in the clock and in front of your classroom. So this I stand for 1 and V stand for 5 and X stand for 10 and L stand for 50 and C stand for 100 and D stand for 500 and M stand for 1000. Understand, children? Now we have to follow some rules are here. We write here na some symbol 1 V X L C D and M. 1 5 10 50 100 500 1000. From these basic symbol and follow the sum rule, we have to make any numbers. So sum first rule is when any number is repeated, we have to add it. Add. For example, X stand for 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 and 1 plus 1 second. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So always remember, children, when a number is repeated, we have to add it, and no symbol is repeated more than 5. Three times. For example, 10. So is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. We cannot repeat this 4 times. 1, 2. This is wrong way. So this is wrong. So this V, L, D, these three symbols is never repeated. These three symbol is never repeated. This one is wrong. V, L, D, D, all these are wrong. So always remember children, when if a number is written to the left of a bigger number, if the number is written to the left of bigger number, for example this one stand for 5 and this one stand for 1. So this here side is left and here side is right. When any smaller number is written to the left side of a bigger number, this stand for 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. उसको हमको माइनस करना है. Then if any number, any smaller number is written to the right side of a bigger number, अगर right side में हम लिखेंगे तो 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And always remember, I always subtract from V and X. For example, this stand for 4, this stand for 9, and X subtract from C and L. For example, this stand for 100 minus 10 is equal to 90, and C subtract from D and M. So this C. So 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. Understand? And when any smaller number is between the two bigger number, we have to minus it from the bigger number. This one is stand for 10 plus 10 minus 1. 10 plus 10 minus 1, 19. So this symbol is stand for 19. When any smaller number is in between the two bigger number, we have to minus from here, this side. So take another example from exercise number 1.5. Write in Hindu Arabic number 210. So listen children, this 210. So any number is not repeated more than 3 times. So first we expand it. 100 plus 100. 100 का सिंबल हमारे पास है, ये देखो 100, और 10 का भी है. So 100 stand for C, again C, and 10 stand for X. So 210 is written in Roman number according C and X. D and X, and D stand for 500. D stand for 500 and X stand for 10. So this one is 510. Children, you have to remember that when any bigger number here and smaller number here, we have to add it. Understand? M, M and L. So M stand for 1000 and L stand for 50. So 2050. So one example we take for minus. Listen here. This stand for 100. This also stand for 100. And here what we see? क्या करना है, ये वाला भी बड़ा नंबर है, ये भी है. अब ये बीच में स्मॉल नंबर है, इसको हमको माइनस करना है. सो 100 माइनस 10, 200 plus 90, that stand for 290. This number we have to write in Roman number. $50, 5 plus 1. So C, L, V and I. Again example 746. So first we take 500 plus 100, 600, again 100, 700. Now 40. 40 का सिंबल नहीं है तो फिर 50 का है. Then 50 minus 10, it means 40 plus 1. D, C and X, L and V and 1.